Hello friends, here is a step-by-step guide on how to delete your Facebook account on an iPhone device. You open the Facebook app on your device, then you tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then you tap on Privacy Shortcuts. Scroll down to locate Delete Your Account and Information and tap on it. Then you select Delete Account and tap Continue to Account Deletion. Enter your password when prompted and tap Continue to complete the deletion. That's it. You have successfully deleted your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.